Hey, so this is the video I promised if you ever sent me an email. You sent me an email. So here's the video. Oh, what is this? Oh my God.
Oh, wasn't expecting you here.
But here I am now, and look what have you got there.
Look at this wonderful biscuit joiner.
Oh, wow. Do you eat those kind of biscuits?
Yes, they're delicious.
Oh,
as you can see, I have one prepared.
Nice.
It's really delicious.
Have you got any more?
No.
Oh.
Okay, maybe I do. They're right here.
Are those the Freud ones?
Yes.
From Sigmund?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, I promised I'd send you a video, so if you emailed me, and you did, so here it is. Oh, what do we have here?
Oh, I wasn't expecting you.
What you got there?
This is a biscuit joiner. And it joins biscuits.
Can you eat those biscuits?
Of course. Whoa, we gotta find them though.
Do you have any?
I might somewhere. Oh, there's one right here.
Oh, are those the Freud biscuits?
Yes, they are. The Sigmund Freud biscuits. Oh, can I have one?
Of course.
Thank you so much. Oh, now I'm gonna eat this one. Sorry, I didn't do much today. I crossed that part out. I crossed that part out.
I'm gonna eat this biscuit now. Oh yeah, look what you got all around the floor and the ceiling. Oh yeah, would you play us would you play us a little ukulele?
Sure. Somewhere up here. And would you like to do a demo of the ukulele, please?
Sure.
Cool. You have just met Cassidy.
I'll show you the wonderful window frames.
Oh, wow. Yes. That's right. We did those together, didn't we?
And Mabel's freaking out though.
I know. Mabel's downstairs wondering, why are they talking so weird? So this is Cassidy, and she's going to strum a little. But you see what she's doing?
We got the floor, the new floor, and the ceiling, oh yeah. And the walls, they're awesome. And what about this cool window frame? Tom's on the ukulele. And Mabel's freaking out downstairs.
Mabel's freaking out downstairs.
Here's the new room. We're so excited for you to come.
So this is Cassidy, and she's going to strum a little. But you see what she's doing is strumming on the new floor. The new floor and the new window and the new walls and the ceiling too. And we're back to the new floor and we're showing the tubes. And the biscuit joiner will be the tool you use. That's right, the biscuit joiner makes this job so great. We'll do the biscuit joiner as long as I don't crush the biscuits under my feet.
Yeah.
So look at this awesome window frame built by Cassidy and Tom.
Ooh.
Thought you might like that. And
I think that's the end.
okay. Oh no, there's something about that side.
Oh yeah, and here's the other side.
That's the luxury room.
This is the master bedroom.
And here's the other end, by the way.
Yeah.
The other end is really kind of as it was when you
Master
left.
bedroom.
Okay. I hope you enjoy that.